Welcome to Kwiiz Success, the best online coaching. Let us learn basic English grammar. Study at your own pace and save your time and energy. Please like and subscribe for more educational videos.
Interjections. Hello, how are you? Hi, I'm fine. I'm looking for a room to rent. Can you help me? Alas, I don't know many people in this colony. I will not be able to help you much. Oh, I was sure you would be able to help me. You can take help from Preeti. She knows everyone here. Wow, that is a superb idea. In the dialogues, the boys have used words that express sudden feelings and emotions. The words hello, hi, alas, oh, wow are examples of interjections. Definition: an interjection is a word that expresses a sudden feeling or emotion like that of joy, sadness, disgust, amazement, anger, or excitement. An interjection is followed by an exclamation mark and has no grammatical relation with other words in the sentence. Let us look at a few sentences. Hooray! We have won the match. Ah, she's leaving the town tomorrow. Bravo! You have done very well in the test. In the first sentence, hooray is an interjection as it expresses the feeling of joy. In the next sentence, ah is an interjection as it expresses the feeling of sadness. In the third sentence, bravo is an interjection as it expresses emotions related to approval, praise, and encouragement. Here is a list of some interjections. Hush! Hey! Well done! Good gracious! Ha! Phew! Interjections. Please, do not interrupt the teacher. Wow! What a wonderful time we had at the mall. Hey! This is an awesome microwavable dinner. Wow, what a fabulous experience for students. Ah, so you have finally decided to go. Hush, what an incredibly rude thing to say. No, I can't take it anymore. Wow, you look great in those clear heels. Great, the police are coming. Ouch, the earth is shaking. Please, get out of here. Hey, I love this class. Please, stop that Chris Brown record. Hey, come, help me. Ah, I need more time. Subject-verb agreement. Children, we will practice English conversation today. You will all tell me something about yourself and your family. I gets up at 6 a.m. That is incorrect. We will use singular form of get verb with I. So the correct sentence is, I get up at 6 a.m. My parents wake up at 5 a.m. You are right. Here, parents are more than one, and with plural subject, we will use a plural verb, that is, wake. Definition. Subject-verb agreement means that a subject must agree with its verb in number and person. A singular subject needs a singular verb. A plural subject needs a plural verb. I, we, you, and they take plural verb. He, she, it take singular verb. Let us look at some other rules of subject-verb agreement. Each, either, neither, everybody, anyone, anybody, nobody, someone, somebody, everyone, and no one are singular, so they need a singular verb. Each of the girls will get a gift. Collective nouns are taken as singular and needs a singular verb. The team is working hard to win the match. If two or more singular nouns or pronouns are joined by and they will need a plural verb, Rita and Suman are going to the market. Nouns with plural form but possessing singular meaning require singular verb. The news is shocking. Shivalik Ranges. The mountains on the border of the Chandigarh and Panchkula have many attractions for tourists. One of the attraction is Chowki Dhane, Kasoli Ranges, huge lush green valley for another 100 kilometers ahead. As the journey continues, tourists will enjoy snowy mountains of Shivalik Ranges. Melt water from the snowy mountains flows through rivers which reaches up to Indian Ocean. Tourists enjoy Ridge and the Mall Road of Shimla.
For free quiz, visit www.success.org.in. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.